If you still think being a content creator is cringe, I'm glad because I love being spoiled by your favorite brand. Woo! Just a heads up that the unboxing will be continued after 6 p.m. because the construction people have come back from their lunch break, and in that period of time, I could only take the ASMR of these boxes. So don't mind if the lighting's changed, please, and don't mind the setup as well. I'm working on it. लाइट जा चुकी है तो उसका दूसरा यही है alternate. Okay, I won't bore you all. We'll just quickly get into it. First box that you see, which is from Nykaa Luxe. If you're a sucker for handwritten notes, PR packages would really win your hearts because almost every package comes with some note. Benefit, it has a charm attached to it. जो मैं अभी निकाल देती हूँ क्योंकि मैंने तुम लोगों को दिखाने के लिए रखा था. इट्स देयर न्यू लॉन्च, जिसमें से ये दो तो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. वन इज़ क्लासिक, वन इज़ डार्क चेरी, और एक है न्यू रास्पबेरी. इट्स माई फर्स्ट Nykaa Luxe PR, by the way. Some of them are from events that we attend as creators. Some of them are gifted from brands. Some of them are also a part of a collaboration. This one is from ELF. Glosses का launch था. Is Princess Cut Crystal Baller. कैंडी कोडेड. लगा के भी दिखा देती हूँ. माई एप्लीकेशन, आई वॉन्ट ऑल द शिमर्स टू कम आउट. यू सी एनी ग्लिटर्स? मुझे दिख नहीं रहे हैं फिलहाल. सुपर न्यूट्रल. This is Elizabeth Arden. This is one of the luxury skincares I've received, and I also have a personalized note in it. We have, it's my micro gel cream. Love the bottle of this product. Look at that. That is so fancy. This one is a night cream. The packaging is too cool. It's the same but just a smaller bottle. Next is Huda Beauty. Their new setting spray, which is also very cool because it has some, wait, this is how you use it. And then you twist it, open, and then मैंने एक बार भी इसको यूज़ नहीं किया है. It will take time to like get थोड़ा सा pumped up. A new Easy Bake. I already have a bunch of Easy Bake powders and they are compact. Honestly, Huda Beauty is worth all the hype. Banana Bake in the shade Banana Bread. And their new blush filter. This is a little too light for me. Thank you, Huda Beauty. I love you. We got travel kit from Due. मेरे पास बॉक्स अब नहीं है because I've been using these. A serum, SPF and the moisturizer. I love them. मैं सीरम इतना यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ honestly, but moisturizer और जो SPF है वो मेरे बैग में हमेशा होता है on the go because we all have like mini bags. Urban Decay from Nykaa because Urban Decay is now on Nykaa. It was a new launch of this Face Bond Luminizer, sorry. Drop. ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करूँगी फ़िलहाल because look at that. That is so subtle and so sexy. This is such a great product for like off-shoulder dresses or tops. I always wanted to try the setting spray. मैंने ये खोली नहीं है अब तक. Cute. Oh. Okay, never mind. Urban Decay's Moon Dust. I've used this and I can vouch for it. First of all, love the packaging. It is so sexy. Do you see that? पूरा अनबॉक्सिंग कर लूँगी, उसके बाद मैं तुमको लास्ट में दिखाऊंगी कि अब तक यहाँ पे लगा हुआ पड़ा है. CeraVe. दिस इज अगेन फ्रॉम एन इवेंट. इन्होंने पूरा स्कूल थीम किया था. वी वर गिवन ID cards. वी सेलिब्रेटेड our graduation because we took a class, like a skincare class with this very well known the Shetty dermatologist. I'm sorry, I can't recall the name. We got blemish control cleanser from this event. Alcohol free blemish control gel with AHA and BHA, and we got CeraVe ka retinol serum. Miss Kylie Jenner in the house. We got this new Kylie Cosmic 2.0 perfume, and we also got to customize our bottles. So I customized it like this. It has my name in between and then some rhinestones around it. It smells a lot like Carolina Herrera, the good girl. Every girl's summer favorite, Sol de Janeiro. Not one, not two, not three, but 4 body mists, the 40. Very sweet strawberry girl. We're trying 68. Like bubblegum with not too many ingredients. Now we're trying 59. This is thorough strong. If one body mist that you ever ask me that can last long and smells good, be it feminine, be it masculine, be it tropical, be it summery, be it woody, whatever, it is always Sol de Janeiro. Next we have Mr. Meta. This is again from a very closed, exclusive, like a classroom, we can say, where we all met and then we all shared some insights. Our return gift for being so patient with the class was this diary, this cute little essential pouch from Napa Dori, which I'm already using in my everyday sort Bella. They sent me this black, exquisitely stunning maxi dress. If you watched Suits, basically how Jessica styles in it. It's a maxi from Moroccan Oil. This is Moroccan Oil shampoo and conditioner, scalp balancing, purifying scrub. I've never heard of that. I'm excited to try this though. Scalp tonic, which is so cool. Again, I've never heard of that. Let me know in the comments if you want me to give you like a good review कि मैं use करके तुमको अपने routine में include करने के बाद मैं तुमको उनका review दूँ. This one is from a small business on Instagram. They've sent me their jewelry pieces. A little avocado necklace, little knot bracelet, which is so cool for my daily stacks. This is again from an event of Rebel Care and other stand-up comedians, all women. It was Foxtail ka event, and at the event they gave us nourishing moisturizer, oil balancing moisturizer, and hydrating moisturizer. Moisturize, guys, keep moisturizing. Also, one more thing I learned in that skincare in the CeraVe school, and we also got this little cute little jewelry box. Wait. So thoughtful. CeraVe के इवेंट पे मैंने ये सीखा कि तुम लोग कभी भी अगर let's say you have a dry skin and you're breaking out, let's say you have a dry skin or you're breaking out, बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं जब उनके pimples होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा when they're facing acne, they skip their moisturizer कि वो बहुत oil based है, उससे बहुत skin oily होती है. But the fact कि तुम्हारी skin पे इतने acne हो रहे हैं is because you don't have enough moisture on your face. Like your skin barriers, your face skin barriers are not moisturized enough, इसलिए वो इतने breakout हो रहे हैं, barriers इतने dry हो चुके हैं कि बस acne हो रहा है. Do you know what I mean? So basically just keep hydrating, keep your skin moisturized 24/7. Even when you're breaking out, keep them moisturized. Moving on. Nykaa's pink sale. इसमें से काफ़ी कुछ मैं दे चुकी हूँ अपने दोस्तों को यहाँ वहाँ. But we have a sunscreen. We have Fair Beauty का lip whip. We have a hair oil. Blush stick from Stays. Body Wise का body wash. Mars का primer grip. And we have K Beauty का cheek like blush. I love Nykaa. They're so generous when it comes to gifts. This is from another Nykaa's event. This bag was filled. इसमें से भी मैं काफ़ी चीज़ें दे चुकी हूँ लोगों को, अपने दोस्तों को. वो स्किन कलर एनालिसिस होते हैं. We got that done and mine is spring. We got some Polaroids clicked. Okay. Bakuchiol body lotion. I'll be very honest about this. It doesn't smell good. But another thing about it is the applicator is so cool. Like now, so cool. And the color of this product is also lime green. Like just lime. I want to use it because it doesn't smell great. It doesn't. No, it's not. No. Maple Energy Infusing Serum. This is so cool. I've used this. I used this 2 nights. I have Wish Trend ka pore smoothing Bakuchiol serum. The packaging is so cute. I won't open it, sorry. I'll just ask if any of my friends want it. I am from ka Rise Water Starter Kit, cleanser, a toner, a cream. Claire's ka infusing cream, energy infusing cream. Look at this cute little boy. Look at this boy. Little scoop. Oh, crispy. Crispy. Yummy. Wish Trend ka Milky Ampoule. I shared this with my skincare bestie and she suggested me to try this out. So I'm gonna use this very soon, like include this in my skincare very soon, and then I might make a video about it. Elf sent me their new tiny launches. One is a contour, one is a liquid blush. I haven't opened them. I'll use them later because I already have too many blushes like in rotation. Nude sticks stacks. So cool. Okay, one is, sorry, you swipe That's one. And you have a tiny mirror here. Then you open dusra, you have a blush which is too bright for me. You open, there's a little glitter thingy. This is very, very cool. Then we have jewelry from Myra. This is all crystal clear. This is in multicolor. I just thought I would layer it together like as a necklace stack, you know. So this is again one more jewelry gift from this brand called Thalassa. Dear Hitika, hope you enjoy today's Thalassa menu. You're the main course. With love. Thank you. Tennis bracelet sort of a... This is so pretty. ये है दूसरी रिंग जो मुझे तलासा ने भेजी. I love it. और एक और चीज़ है जो मुझे मिल नहीं रही है फ़िलहाल. We have Miss Ma'am Kylie in the house again. Oops. And Kylie mascara. Kylash. Okay. Use नहीं करूँगी मैं फ़िलहाल इसको. We'll open the Kylie kit. I've already opened it, but unfortunately it's not in my shade. I'll give you a swatch here, ठीक है? One line. बस मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूँगी अभी इसको. ये ऐसा ही रहेगा. At the end of the video, I'll show you कि अब तक यहाँ पर ऐसा ही है, and I'll like rub it off for you. You'll still see it's not gonna smudge off. Even if it smudges off, it's gonna leave some tint. ये तो मैंने खोला नहीं है because I know it is not my shade, so I'm just gonna give it away to my friend. What each evil eye color means. Sunglass Hut from New Balance, The Ordinary, Fix My Curls from Faye Beauty, Dot & Key, one more package, Elf again in the house, then Kiehl's with Sebamed from Tata Clicks from Love Vienna, 52 Sundays, Victoria Beckham X Bioderma. Brie Matcha. Faye loves me. I love Faye again from Faye. Not sponsored me. Dot & Key again. Tipsy Beauty. Fix My Curl from Kneeling It and Call etc.